Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create pivot table in MS Excel. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I have data. So to create pivot table, simply select the inside the cell of this data, then go to the insert tab. In tables group, click on the pivot table, then click on the from table or range. And here you can see the range is automatically selected of data. I just cancel it. I show you if you select this cell, okay, not inside the cell you select, and you select this cell, okay, blank cell, okay. Now just go to the insert and click on the pivot table and click on the from table, and you can see the range is not selected properly. So here you can select the range also. Just click on this arrow and select your data range. Just click on it, and you can use the shortcut key here, the shift control right arrow then down arrow to select the entire data. Then click on this arrow. Then choose where you want to the pivot table to be placed. So if you want to place in new worksheet, just select the new worksheet and then click on the OK. Okay. So this is a two way you can select the data, okay, of your Excel. After that, the sheet is added, and right inside the pivot table fields also added with the pivot table analysis tab, then design tab. You can design your pivot table also in with the different colors. Okay. So here I'm going to create now pivot table. So you can just drag the fields below the areas to create the pivot table. You just click on this also. So I just click on this product, and automatically is added in rows. And you can drag it easily. Just total price, drag in values. If you want to add in filters, to drag the date in filters. And here you can see your pivot table is ready. If you want to add something more fields, you just drag and add here category in filters. Okay. If you want to move the category up and date down, just click on this arrow and you just click on the move up, and you can see the category move up. Okay. If you want to change the style of the pivot table, just go to the design tab. Just click on the first pivot table inside, then go to the design tab. In pivot table style, you can see the different style is available. When you keep cursor on this, see the changes on your pivot table. Just select it, and that's it. Your pivot table style is changed. Okay. So this is the way you can use the different option here to design the pivot table. Okay. You can add the slicer also. When you click on the insert slicer, you can see the all the columns names showing here, which are available in your data. Suppose I want to use the slicer category wise. Click on the category and click on the slicer here is added. Okay. With the slicer tab also. So when you click on the categories, suppose I click on the furniture, you can see the data is filters as per the furniture's category. Means the product of the furniture category is one is available. If I click the electronics, see the electronics product is this and amount is total price is this. Okay. So this way filters this data when you use the slicer. So you can use the slicer to filter data quickly in pivot table. Okay. And that's it. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.